We are at the dawn of a new era, led by beneficence and grounded in the intrinsic values of excellence, gratitude, integrity, and social responsibility. On a quest for knowledge and greater understanding, we rise above, take risks, and pursue truth. Empowered and inspired to seek new insights, to reimagine and recreate the future. We spread our wings and fly. Given the freedom and flexibility to embrace new ideas, each of us exceeds expectations, inspired, engaged, and exhilarated. Lifted by our knowledge, we confidently embark upon more courageous exploration. Enabled and emboldened across every discipline. Propelled by innovation, unrestrained by convention. We continue challenging each other to excel, to change the world. And with beneficence as our guide, we fly.